Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Peony, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can draw an iris in a realistic way. So follow the steps, follow this tutorial, and I hope you find it useful. So for the first step, I draw a medium circle with a compass, and then I draw a smaller circle in the center. Then I draw a rectangle here with my HB pencil. This is going to be the reflection of the light. Then I fill the pupil with a Faber-Castell B6 pencil. Then I make these wavy shapes around the pupil with the same pencil. I cover the entire iris with a consistent layer. Try to move your arm instead of your wrist while you're shading because it makes shading much easier. I don't want to shade inside of this rectangle because I want to keep it white. Use a tissue or any other blending tool, then blend the graphite so that your shadows become softer and don't have a grainy look. These wavy shaped lines disappeared while I was blending the shadows, so I need to draw them again. I start from the edges of the circle and apply darker shadows, and as I gradually move towards the center of the eye, I fade my shadows to make a proper transition. Since my light source comes from the left, I want the right side of the iris to be darker. Then I blend this layer again and refine these lines after that. I shade the inner part of these wavy shapes with a soft layer of shadow, and I drag my shadows inward until they disappear at the end. And then with an eraser that has sharp edges, I add some lines and highlights on the outer edges of this part. Notice that when I make these highlights, I create some drop shapes between them. I will also highlight inside of this part. I make some hatching around the edges of the pupil and drag these lines outward to blend the edges. Now I take my mechanical pencil and refine my shadows and keep working on the details. This step is very important, so try to put enough time and effort on it and try not to rush. Next, I make the shadows bolder again with my B6 pencil. I darken the edges of the circle and draw short, smooth lines from the outside to the inside to create shadow and texture. Again with a tissue, I fade this shade from the edges to the inside. Be careful not to fade your highlights. Then, using a mechanical pencil, I add subtle strokes between my shadows. Then I pick my eraser and I just want to clean around the circle. So that's it guys, I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching and thanks for all your kindness and support. Bye!